is up, YouTube? It is DarkBeauty9825 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be just testing out how different makeup looks. So, I guess you can call this a review, but I feel like I have so many reviews on my channel. But at this point, I'm sort of thinking that my channel is more so a review channel. At this point, for real, because it feels like I make a review like twice a week. But I'm just experimenting with makeup, and once I find something I like, I try to stick to that same brand, or I like trying like stuff that I never tried before. So one thing that I got, or two things that I got, and I actually got these from like the dollar store or something. So I got Black Radiance brand, and one of them I have a lipstick, and another one I have a concealer stick. So because I don't want to mess up my eyebrows, or I just don't feel confident that the concealer I just know that I would not be able to use a concealer stick right on my eyebrows to conceal my eyebrows. So I'm gonna just be using it like right here where I normally will put like concealer anyway. And then my lips are like not up to par, because y'all know I keep my lips either glossed or with some lipstick on it. But that's because I'm going to be trying out a lipstick color, and it's going to be so funny if it turns out looking funny, but hey, you only live once. So yes, that's what this video is about. I'm going to be testing these two things, so let me stop talking and we're going to get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to try out is this Black Radiance lipstick, and it is in the color 5023B, and it just never focuses, so I'm just not even gonna try. And it is like this brown color. It's a brown, but it kind of looks maroon on camera, but it's really like a brown color. So we're about to see. I don't know how to put lipstick on either, so I might be looking weird doing this. I just be putting it on. I know some people do lip liner and all that stuff, but I ain't even about to do that. I kind of still have my other lipstick on. That is not good. So I'm going to just be ghetto with it. Not really ghetto, but I'm going to just put it on while I'm looking in the camera. And it's definitely not, I don't think this is a matte one, because it's coming on like not how my other one does. So I am crying, y'all. So it's not that bad, but it's not that bad. It's kind of like, I think on a different skin tone it'll look way better maybe, but it's really not that bad. It's kind of just like but it kind of just like blends in with me at the same time. Like, it's just like a brown. Like, my lips could totally be this color. So it's not bad. Definitely not bad. I think it would probably look better if I had like foundation on too, because then my dark spots wouldn't show as much, so it would probably like stick out more. So the next thing I'm going to do is this concealer stick, but I'm gonna just unwrap it off camera. So I got the concealer stick open, and it's this shade. I'm gonna just put it on like my cheek area. So I'm just gonna apply it like under, like kind of where the bags of my eyes are, where I normally will put like my liquid concealer at. I think I got it in too dark of a shade, because it's showing up darker than me. So I think I got it in too dark of a shade. Yeah, I most definitely did, because I usually like my concealer lighter. Because if you watch my filming makeup tutorial, I usually use like my concealer as like a highlight primer. So I'm gonna blend it out and we're gonna see. It's weird because like when I went in the mirror, in my bathroom mirror, never mind. I'm about to say it looked lighter, but to be honest it don't. So I'm gonna just take my blending brush and like see if this even, I don't even know if you're supposed to do this with the concealer stick, but I'm just trying to make it not as whatever it was. And it's like really, so I'm not really feeling it, but that could just be because I don't know how to use it, you know. So I might be using this totally wrong, and y'all might be laughing at me in the comments for sure, because I just don't know how to use it. But yeah, I'm not really a fan of it. And please tell me how to use this thing if I'm using it wrong. Did this turn out clear? Does the picture look clearer than it was before? Like, literally. I feel like I look way clearer. And I was trying to wonder, like, why is my stuff so, like, fuzzy looking? And I was trying to adjust my lights and everything. I'm like, maybe it's my lights doing that to me. You know? But, anyways, I mean, it's like blended in with my skin now, so I don't even know like where I put the concealer at. So shoot, I don't know. So that is all for my video. I really hope you liked it. Please let me know if I used that wrong, or like what y'all think about it. Like, I'm not really a fan of it, but I don't know. Also click the notification, or click the bell if you want to receive notifications for every time that I post. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.